Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling WSL2 and the virtual machine platform so Docker can run Linux containers efficiently. Once done, install a lightweight Linux distro like Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store. This provides the kernel integration Docker needs. Next, run the Docker desktop installer exe you downloaded. Make sure to approve the installer prompts and select WSL2 integration when offered, because that choice gives better performance and seamless use of Linux tooling inside Windows. After installation, launch Docker Desktop and sign in or continue without an account if you prefer. Inside Settings, go to Resources, then WSL Integration, and toggle Integration on for the distro you installed. This ensures Docker commands map to your Linux environment. Once enabled, make sure resource limits, CPU, RAM, disk, match your workflow. Increase CPU or memory for heavy builds. Then open a WSL terminal and run Docker version to confirm the daemon is reachable and responding to commands. You finish by running a quick test. Docker run rm hello world, which verifies pull, run, and networking basics. Follow with Docker ps to view containers. Use the Docker dashboard to start, stop, and inspect containers, networks, and volumes visually when you need a GUI. If Docker Desktop won't start or the daemon is unresponsive, restart Docker Desktop first. If that fails, toggle WSL integration or reset to factory defaults. This usually clears misconfigurations without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.